Hi, I'm Sudeep Sethi, Global Sales Director at Maico Gulf. We are the only manufacturer of blowers in the Middle East with full-scale production right here in the UAE. We are able to produce, stock and deliver high-performance blowers exactly when they're needed, ensuring projects stay on track without compromise. In the current environment, where global logistics remain unpredictable, relying on imports introduces risk. Local manufacturing removes that uncertainty. What this means for our customers is straightforward. Complete control over quality and fast delivery without dependency on external supply chains.